Dear friends, let me congratulate us on behalf of Safi Utibayev Atral Oil and Gas University with the 60th anniversary of the Guilin University of Electronic Technology. It has been a glorious adventure of science, creation, creativity, and building China we know it today. On this day, I would like to wish the best of health to all the staff, students, and of course, the best of creation, the best of creativity, the future technology that Guilin is going to build in centuries. Thank you very much for being our international partners and for creating this future with us. Hope we will build the better future together. Thank you very much. Congratulations again.